Hello, this is Michaela, or Studious Octopus, and I'm here today recording the GlossyBox catch-up for the January 2018 GlossyBox. This is the UK edition. It's the first box of the year. It was just a regular pink box. The theme was sort of New Year's, New You, enriched beauty. Lots of good stuff for you. We had 5 items. I think 4 of them were full size and 1 of them was a trial size but that you could buy. It was a great value box. Did I like the actual items in it? So first off, the first item listed on the card is the beauty supplements. I did decide not to take them. I don't think the risk is worth it, that it comes with so many health warnings, but it's also just not something that I can advocate. I didn't take them. I don't know if they work. I don't think they work anyway. I don't think they are a substitute for a good diet. Mostly, I hope I don't get an item like this again in GlossyBox because it is more than likely going to make me unsubscribe. However, the saving grace of the box is that I actually did really love every other item in the box. Which is the thing I think I talked about in the actual unboxing, is that it's kind of more awkward that I can't just outright hate the box. It has an item that I completely disagree with, but every single other item in the box is great. It is still a lovely curated box. So from the top we have the Evelyn Iona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer. It's a £20 primer, I believe, yeah. £22. It's a really nice primer. It's like a cross between a moisturizing primer, a mattifying primer. It's a little bit dimethicone-y. It's a little bit sort of pore refining. It does a little bit of all of those different things. It feels really nice on the skin. I really like how it makes my skin look. It makes it look soft. It makes it look matte. It's actually just a really, really lovely primer. I like this a lot more than I thought I would. The only downside, as usual with American cosmetics that aren't easily available in the UK, is I'm less likely to buy it because it's not as easily available in the UK, which is always a shame. More American brands are coming over to the UK. It's like you can go into Boots now and get like NYX Cosmetics, which usually most UK people are just used to seeing Americans talk about it on YouTube. So more American brands are coming over. I would love if I could buy this in the UK super easily. It's a really nice primer. Next up is the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, which I have been using, and it's really, really nice. It's a little bit more of a pricey luxury but super nice facial oil. It moisturizes, it soothes, it makes your skin sort of tone more even. It's really, really nice. I am breaking out a tiny bit right now. That's nothing to do with this. That's just because it's the time of the month where I break out a little. But no, it's lovely, and it has all of the other things that I think you need in a good facial oil, which is the nice packaging and the dropper that helps you apply it. So yeah, I just think it's really, really nice. The only downside for me, that is something people might not like, is that rose things I always find tend to make my face feel very, very slightly tacky. I think it's just something that is a quality of rose oil products, which if you don't like that, if that bothers you, that might bother you. I don't think it's necessarily bad. It's not bad for your skin. It's just the feeling that I get from it. But it's nice. I will use it. It is lovely. I love facial oils. Next up was the Male Medic item, which I was a bit unclear about. Sort of, there was no instructions. Do you shake it? Do you not shake it? I haven't been shaking it. It seems to be fine. I had a closer look in the ingredients as well because I wasn't sure if this was what exactly is it doing for my nails. Mostly what this has in it is vitamins and oils. So it's moisturizing and enriching your nails. It's not supposed to be a hardener or anything like that, I don't think, which is nice. That's the sort of thing that I like. So as nail items go, I'm not super into nail items. It's not something that I go for. I just find that it feels like a waste of my time a lot of the time because it takes a long time to do nail things. That's not unfair to point out, but I did give this a good go. I did try to very reliably put this on my nails every day, and I do actually think it made my nails feel slightly nicer. They feel like the sort of the edges of them split slightly less, probably because they're a bit more moisturized, and they do feel a little bit stronger. You would have to keep at it every single day, which I guess it's not the biggest deal. I mean, you moisturize your face every day, you wash your face every day, so it's like, but it would be another step to add, and I'm not super into nail things, so I will probably use it occasionally. I probably won't use it every day, but I do feel like it works. I do feel like it was nice, and I think this was quite an affordable item. This was only a £5, quite nice. And again, because it's an American brand, it's a little bit more awkward to get a hold of. And then finally we had the Apicia, however you say it, the bee-related French brand. And this was their cream blush, which cost €20, 17, 18 pounds. And again, I also actually really like this. I actually like using this a lot more as a lipstick, like a cream lip product. It's a really pretty colour, and it sort of has a mattifying, sort of slightly lip staining effect. It's really nice and quite natural looking. You can also use it as a blush. It's just I don't particularly wear a lot of blush on a day-to-day basis. Part of that is because I'm already fairly pink toned unless I put a lot of foundation on, so I tend to just not bother with blush a lot. I do, obviously. So it's like I have been using this a lot more as a lip project, and it's nice. It feels nice. It's a lovely colour. It's a really nice sized tube. So like I said in the last video as well with cream products, I always tend to find they last forever. So this will probably actually be a really good value for money item, even though it's a little pricier, just because it is going to last forever. It's super pretty. So that was the box there. This stuff here was £80 worth of value, and I absolutely do like every single item. Obviously there's the caveats of 2 of them are things that are available in the US and aren't as easy to get in the UK, but it was a lovely box. I liked the box. Barring the beauty supplements, this box was still worth having. £80 is still worth way more than the £13 I paid for it. So that's nice. And then the next month's box is going to be the Valentine's Day box. They've themed it as Galentine's, as sort of a love in your friendships type of box, which is a nice message, because you don't have to do it as sort of a romance is the only acceptable thing. You know, you have love for other people and love for yourself. And I do think we've had a couple of sneak peeks already for the Valentine's Day box. We've had, I think we're going to get a skincare item. It was a face mist. We got a sneak peek for on the card, and then I think we're going to get a nail polish as well, which is not my preferred item, but it's not the end of the world. I think it's a Ciate mini nail polish. It'll be quite cute. The Ciate ones at least have the, it's fully colourful usually in one coat, because I've had Ciate before. They're nice as nail polishes go. It's just not what I'm into, but we'll see how it goes. So you can look out for the Valentine's Day box soon, and I will see you again next time. This is Michaela, or Studious Octopus. So I thought I'd finally get around to recording the empties that I've been meaning to do. I don't think it actually has been that long. Hello again, and we're back playing Simon Max 201 Ice Station Santa. So we're continuing on directly from season